Have you ever wondered why sometimes we get something that we really didn't want in our lives? People often tell me, I didn't ask for that. In fact, some people think that the law of attraction isn't working for me when they attract something they didn't want into their life, but it is. You see, the law of attraction doesn't hear the words don't, not, or no, as in, I don't want that. That's not what I want. No more of this. It only responds to your feelings, your vibes, about that subject. If thinking about a certain situation causes you to feel upset, the law of attraction sends you more upsetting situations. Here's a story sent to me by a reader that demonstrates what I mean. I went to a charity event last night for which I paid $50, and then I donated another $20 for raffle tickets for various prizes. The idea was to put your ticket into the bowl that represented the prize you wanted. Well, none of the prizes were exciting to me. I put my ticket into the bowl that seemed the best of the three. And as I did so, I said to myself, I really hope I don't win this silly haircut. Then I realized there were more than 3 prizes, and I felt disappointed that I had put my ticket into that bowl, but it was too late to take it back. So, as they were calling the prize winners, I again said, I don't want that haircut. When they read out my number, I was so disbelieving that I had to ask them to repeat the number because I could not believe that I had won it, especially because I had said so clearly, I don't want it. Well, you know the ending of this story. I focused on it, said don't, and focused on it again. Duh. Now the fact is, it is a nice prize and I will use it. What was I thinking? Sometimes I use the illustration of the internet search engines. If you go to www.goolj.ca and type in the words, no porn, what will you get? That's right, porn. The search engines don't understand don't give me, they just understand porn. So, if I don't want something, how do I avoid attracting it into my life? By answering this simple question, if I don't want this, what do I want? Sometimes it takes a while to formulate a positive answer to that question, but taking the time to do so is the only way to stop attracting what you don't want. If I don't want clients who are late for our sessions, what do I want? I want clients who are on time or early. If I don't want to chase after clients to be paid for my services, what do I want? I want clients who joyfully pay by credit card or e-check for my services on time or early. If I fail to get clear about what I do want, according to the law of attraction, I will attract that which I don't want into my life again and again until I place my focus on something else. What I don't want is, by default, my focus. Can you think of something that has been occurring in your life, over and over again? If so, take a few minutes, just 5 or 10 minutes, and do this exercise. 1. Write down on paper what this reoccurring event is. State what happens and how it makes you feel. 2. Then ask the question, if I don't want that to happen again, what do I want to happen? Or if I don't want to feel like that again, what do I want to feel like? Get a picture in your mind, an idea or a feeling for how you would like it to be. Find the words that most accurately express what you want and write them down on paper. Doing this will engage all your senses to such a degree that you will automatically begin to attract events and situations that are more enjoyable.